Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I am making another video on the Wolfbox line of dash cameras. I've got the box on the top of this 2008 Nissan Altima, and I just want to show you here at the back the rear view camera that we mounted on the license plate, because on this vehicle it's going to act as a backup camera. This is the box, the Wolfbox G850. And for those of you who don't know, this is a rear view mirror dash camera system. Comes with a 12-inch LCD screen built into the rear view mirror, which you can see right here. And we've actually used the OEM mounting bracket from Wolfbox. So usually these mirrors are clip-on. In this particular instance, it's an actual bolt-on. So this is a good video to show what the Wolfbox bracket looks like. So this is the actual rear view mirror for the vehicle. You can see it's still reflective. Hello, here I am. And if I turn the ignition on, so basically the Wolfbox camera is going to boot up. We'll give it a second here. So you can see the logo is powering up. And essentially you're going to see the default screen is the rear view camera. If I touch the mirror, you can change the image to the front dash camera, or you can have both images at the same time. So you're going to see right in front of me, there goes my coworker Christian. You can see him walking in front of the image. That's the front dash camera, which if you take a look here, the lens is right here. The camera comes with a 64 gigabyte memory card, capable of storing up to 256. And if I hit the screen again, basically it goes back to the backup camera. And what's cool is if I put the vehicle in reverse, so you'll see here, it's going to switch to the rear view camera image, give us a little bit of a lower angle with the guidelines. So when you're reversing, you have the guidelines to essentially help you with parking the vehicle. So it's very interesting in that it's a front and rear dash camera, but instead of the camera being mounted in the rear window, it's mounted on the exterior of the vehicle. And we've connected the reverse input so that when you put the vehicle in reverse, it shows the guidelines. And if I put it in park, it'll go back to the normal mode. My guys are just asking for my car keys. So if I touch the screen again here, you'll see basically you can go through the different recording modes. It has a compass, gives you the speed, the time, allows you to do all the settings, the audio recording and such. And then you can even take a picture if you wanted to. So it's taking a picture basically of that rear view image. If I change the camera image, so you can take a photo that way, and essentially you're good to go. It's a 1080p resolution on the front, 1080p resolution on the rear, and that's actually changeable as well, because I believe the front of this camera can actually have a higher resolution too. And it looks like the battery voltage on this vehicle is actually getting a little bit low because I just saw the dash flickering. But that pretty much sums up the Wolfbox G850 dash camera video on this Altima. So if you or someone you know is looking for a backup camera or a dash camera, Wolfbox is a great option. Obviously we carry many other brands as well, but Wolfbox is one of the only brands that we would support for doing both dash camera and backup camera functionality. And it's very economical to sell and install or purchase and install. So if you or someone you know wants one, please give us a call, 1-866-824-4118. Visit us on the web, lockdownsecurity.ca. You can also email sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. And then if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos about Wolfbox dash cameras like the G850. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Have a great day.